Every morning, the process begins. A synchronized flow of personnel and materials. Macro close-up reveals the unparalleled quality of the rubber compounds used in every Toyota part.
This is the next generation process, an orchestrated ballet of automation, where AGVs navigate
After stamping, every trunk lid undergoes meticulous quality inspection to ensure millimeter precision and structural integrity.
To raising the mechanical will be valid sees it for the next gen pro process.
Spanning the equivalent of several football fields, this facility exemplifies the next generation of automotive manufacturing.
Here at the Toyota installation station, 4 workers move in perfect assembly ballet, mounting wheels simultaneously.
Okay, bring it forward slowly, just a few millimeters.
Got it. Harness connection secure on the left side.
Right side clear. Lock the dolly.
In this next-gen process, seats arrive on overhead conveyors. After a thorough inspection, they are
We need another micro adjustment on the bottom hinge.
How does that feel?
3.2 millimeters. That's a perfect fit.
Engine oil dispensed. Confirming coolant levels now.
Copy that. Fuel line is prepped and ready.
A precise measurement of high-quality golden engine oil is crucial for the next-gen process, ensuring smooth operation.
We use a measured pump to precisely fill the Toyota transmission with high-quality synthetic fluid.
We are testing the express up and down function. As you can see, the movement is smooth and precise.
The next-gen process begins with a comprehensive systems check. Note the rich saturation as the climate control fan speeds are incrementally tested.
Here we see the engine nearing its limits, yet all systems remain fully within normal operating parameters.
From the sequential lights to the precise tread depth readings, every element undergoes rigorous review.
The stitching here is immaculate. The damping on the glove box is perfect. This meets the next-gen standard.
Battery connections are secure. Everything checks out on the diagnostic tablet.
meticulously crafted.